On this video today, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. You are not required to invest any money. Everything is free, so you can be making money from home without spending any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click create a marketplace so that you can find a product to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are products that you can promote. You can see the first one, the commission rate is $125.12. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see the next one, the commission rate is $43.27 per every sale that you get. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote on Digistore24 to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money from home. Anytime you get a sale, you can see a whole lot of them. The products on Digistore24 are arranged into different categories. So if you want digital products, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can find digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see they have animals and pets. Once you click on it, they have about 24 available products that you can promote to make money. Under the betting systems, they have 3 products that you can promote. Business and investment, they have about 69 available products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are many of them. If you don't want digital products, you can promote events and seminars, you can promote physical data medium, you can promote services, you can promote physical products. Any of these categories that is interesting to you, you can click on it, find a digital product so that you can be promoting it and then make money from home anytime you get a sale. There are a lot of different products. As a scroll, you can see many products. Apart from selecting a specific category, you can also sort the products based on the number of sales that they get. You can arrange them based on the percentage of sales that they get when a potential visitor click on the link. To filter the products, you are going to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see popularity. That means the products are sorted based on their popularity. If you don't want that, you can select earning per sale, earning per cart visitor, publication date, cart conversion. Any of them that you want, you can select. You can see cancellation rate. In this case, we are going to select cart conversion. You want to sort the products based on the percentage of sales that they get when people click on the link. So click on cart conversion. Once you click on cart conversion, you can see the products have been arranged. You can see the first one is Billionaire Brainwave. That is the product that is getting a lot of sales when people click on the link. You can see it has a cart conversion rate of 39%. That means if you promote it to random people, you are likely going to get 39% of those people buying the product. So if you promote it to 200 people, you can get up to 39% of those people buying the product. As a scroll, you can see the next one is 30%. So that is the cart conversion rate. If you promote this product to 100 people, you are likely going to get 30% of those people buying the product. There are many of them. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting the first one. You can see the first one. The commission rate is $47.97. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So to promote the product, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, a page is going to open like this. You can see sales page, affiliate support page. When you click on the sales page, you can get some basic information about the product. The sales page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. You can click on it to view the page and then get some basic information about the product before you begin to promote it. On the affiliate support page, when you click on it, you can get resources that you can use to promote the product. If you have your own resources that you can use to promote the product, you don't need to click on affiliate support page. In this case, I'm not going to be using the resources on the affiliate support page, so we are not going to click on that. But you want to get some basic information about the product, so click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the first page that your potential customers are going to see before they buy the product. You can see 7-second brainwave ritual attracts money to you. That is the heading. When you scroll down, you can see they have a video. So when you click right here, play, in the video you learn more about the product. but in this case I'm not going to play the video because it is going to take a lot of time. I recommend that before you promote it, click on play so that you can get some basic information about the product before you promote it. Now once we get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote it, you can click here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can get your unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product. For example, let me click on it for you to see. You can see the link has been copied to my clipboard. If you want to see whether it is true or not, just open a new tab and then paste your affiliate link. Once you paste it, you will see your name at the end. You can see this is my name, so you must also see your name at the end of the link. Once that is done, you can press enter to see whether it will open or not. You can see it has opened. That means the link is working. Once you get your link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your unique affiliate link and then buy the product. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. We have free traffic source and a paid traffic source. The free traffic source, you are not going to pay anything. What you are going to be doing is that you are going to be posting your link for free so that you can get random people to click on your link and then purchase the product. With the paid traffic source, you have to pay money. Once you pay the money, you can select your targeted audience and then promote to those people. There are a lot of different websites that you can buy traffic. You can buy traffic on Facebook, you can buy traffic on Google, you can buy traffic on Reddit, Instagram, LinkedIn, any of the social media networks that you want. You can buy traffic so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. As a beginner, if you don't have money to buy traffic, I recommend you use the free traffic. Anytime you get a sale, you can then use your earning to buy paid traffic so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. In this case, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money using this method. The free traffic, it also works, but the difference is that you are not going to target the right audience. You are going to post it randomly, so anyone who is interested in the product can click on it and then buy it. With the free traffic, you can target a specific audience. The free traffic source that we are going to be using today is globalfreeclassifyads.com. This website gets a lot of traffic, and the best part is that you can post your ad here for free. The product, you can post it to any country that you want. There are a lot of different countries, there are a lot of different categories. So any category of products that you select on Digistore24, you can post it on this website. As a school, you can see a lot of different things on the website. What you have to do is that visit the website, read more about it, and then begin to post your ads. You can see these are popular cities. You can see these are popular countries. It is available worldwide, but they have popular countries. You can see these are the popular countries. So if you want to post an ad, you have to select one of these countries so that you can post your ad and get people to purchase it. What I recommend is that you have to select the tier 1 countries. You can see Australia, Canada, New Zealand. You have to also select United Kingdom, United States. Select those countries because the people who live in those countries, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. If you don't want those countries, you can select other countries that you want. It does not matter, but I recommend you use the tier 1 countries. Now, once you get to know about the website, the next step is that you have to create an account so that you can begin to post your ad onto the platform. To create an account, click on register. Once you click on register, you are going to enter your details so that you can create your free account. You can see you have to enter your first name, company name. You have to select the account type, enter your country. Once that is done, enter your email address, confirm your email address. Once that is done, you are going to enter the captcha. Once you enter that, enter your username, password, confirm your password. Once that is done, you are going to agree to the terms of use. Once you accept that, you have to click on submit so that you can register for a free account. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to post an ad onto the platform. To post an ad, select post an ad. Once you click on it, you see an ad like this. Always close the ads. Click on close. Once you close the ad, you have to select the category that you want to post your ad. In this case, we are going to select buy and sell. Once you select buy and sell, the next step is that you have to select a subcategory. So you can select business and industrial. You can select any of these categories that you want. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Any of them that you want, you can select it. The product that we are promoting is about how to train your brain to attract money, so you can select any of these categories. In this case, I recommend other goods because none of these categories relate to the product that we are promoting. So select other goods. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to select the duration of your ad. So click right here. Once you click on it, select 30 days. We want our ad to be on the website for 30 days, so select 30 days. Once that is done, you are going to enter the title of your ad. As you can see on the landing page, this 7-second brainwave ritual attracts money to you. If you want, you can use this title, or you can type your own title. It does not matter. Just type anything that will attract people to click on your affiliate link. As you can see, this is my title: Discover Brainwave Trick to Attract Free Money. This is my title. You can also type something like this. You don't have to type the same title, because if you do so, this website is going to see it as an ad duplicate. So you have to also write your own title here. Once that is done, you are going to write a brief description about the product. So just write some brief information about the product. As you can see, this is my description. You can also write a description like this and then post it onto the website. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to enter the price of the product. You can go back on Digistore24, copy and paste the price of the product right here. As you can see, price, this is the price of the product. So highlight and then copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to select your payment method. You can select Visa, select MasterCard, select PayPal, bank transfer, Discover, American Express. Once you select the method of payment, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see phone number, you can see street address. If you want, you can enter your phone number here and the street address. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see location. You are going to click on it and then select any country that you want. If you want Australia, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select a state in Australia. So if you want to target a particular state in Australia, you can do that. But in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the United States. So click on it, select the United States. Once you select the United States, you can see the state and the city right here. If you want, you can change them. Any of them that you want, you can change it. Any of them that you want, you can change it. But in this case, I'm going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see additional regions. If you want to add another region, you can click on it and then add the region. But in this case, we are not going to add any region. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see website URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Digistore24 so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, it has been copied. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to scroll down. You can see condition, brand. The condition is new. Just leave it like this. The brand, do not enter anything. Once that is done, you are going to click on next step. So click on next step. Once you click on next step, you can see image and file upload. What you have to do is that you have to upload images of the product right here. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product. Once you search for the name of the product, select images. Once you select images, you can see different images of the product that you can download and then use them in your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to download an image, put your pointer on the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as so that you can download the image onto your device. So just download as many images that you want. Once you download the images, the next step is that you are going to click on select files. Once you click on it, you are going to select the images that you downloaded. Just select them. Once you select them, click on open. Once that is done, you can see the images have been uploaded. You can see they have been uploaded. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see YouTube video upload. If you have a YouTube video review of the product, you can paste the link right here. But in this case, we don't have a review of the product, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see continue. Click on it. Once you click on continue, you can see this is the title of your ad. If you want to edit it, you can click right here to edit it. If you want to delete it, you can click right here to delete it. If you want to preview your ad, you can click right here preview so that you can see the mistakes in your ad. Once you see the mistakes, you can then edit it before you publish it. So let's preview the ad. So click on preview. Once you click on preview, you can see this is the ad. This is how your ad is going to appear on the website. You can see the visit is 1. So when you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see the preview. Once you are okay with the appearance of your ad, what you have to do is that you have to go ahead and then publish it. So click right here, publishing. Once you click on publishing, you can see your listing has been received successfully. Thanks. Your ad has been received and is going to be available on this website so that you can get people who will click on it and then buy the product for you to make money. So make sure you post a lot of ads onto this website so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. Apart from promoting affiliate products, you can also create your own digital product and then sell it so that you can be making money. You can sell your product at any price that you want, and the best part is that you don't need any skills to create them. You don't need any experience. I have written a book showing you step by step on how to create and sell your own digital products without any skills and without any experience. You don't need to invest a lot of money. All that you need to do is that you have to click on this link at the description of the video, so that I'll show you everything that you need to do so that you can create your own digital product and then sell it. So just click on this link at the description of the video. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to a page like this. You can see this is the book and you can see the description. As you can see right here, I've reduced the price so that everyone can get access to this book. Within the next coming weeks, I'm going to increase the price to the original price. You can see $13.92, but right now it will cost you $2.49. If you want to get access before I increase the price, what you have to do is that click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your details so that you can make your payment. Once you make your payment, you can get access to the book so that you can learn how to create your own digital products and then sell them online. You can create your own products, recruit affiliates so that they will sell it for you to make money. Sometimes you don't need to sell your own digital products. You can recruit affiliates who will sell the products and you are going to pay them commission whilst you earn the money. You don't need to do anything. All that you need to do is that you have to get this book so that you get to know everything about creating and selling digital products.